I don't need to tell you how expensive it is to eat out. Even if you're not paying for the whole family, even if it's just the two of you, it's ridiculous. And I don't have a fast food budget to blow through. I don't. We're gonna get ready for this trip and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna save money and what we're packing. Aprons on, let's go. Derek and I are leaving in the morning for a conference. We're gonna be gone 5 days and we're driving 6 hours to Vegas. I wanna pack some light breakfast and lunch options and of course, a whole bunch of snacks. The biggest expense that we're gonna pay for is for dinner. Let's start on breakfast. I am throwing some eggs in the Instant Pot to hard boil. I like to have a lot of protein in the morning or for an afternoon snack to have with our lunch. In this drawer here, I have some bacon that I'm gonna fry up and take with us. Now I'm regretting only doing 1 pound. I should have done 2 pounds of bacon. I love bacon. Do you guys love bacon? Let me know in the comments. I can eat bacon every day. So right now I'm in the refrigerator. I am grabbing my last 3 Orgain protein shakes and then some apples. And I'm gonna bring a knife with me and some peanut butter. Next, I'm gonna make some portable grazing boards and pack snacks. Now I could run to Walmart and I can grab some pre-made like grazing boards that I'm doing here. I could grab the packages that have the crackers and the cheese and the dip mix with some veggies in it. And those cost around, like, I'm seeing at Walmart around $3.13 a piece. So if we were to grab, like, let's say 2 for each of us, because they're small, like 2 on the way down and 2 on the way back, that's another like $15 we're spending. Okay, I got this really cool container off of Amazon. I got it purposely for packing snacks like this. So if you're going on the road, I thought I would put some fruit and some veggies. And then I'm gonna pack up some more fruit and veggies to put into the hotel refrigerator. I had a container of strawberries in the fridge and they've been soaking here in water and vinegar. Now I'm going to rinse these off. Ooh, they look good. That's what is left of all our grapes in our fridge. I'll take it. I like to raid whatever is in our fridge and pantry first before we go out and get anything. This is how you save money. Shop your shelves first. Okay, that is going in the cooler. For our little travel grazing board, of course, I gotta add my salami. So I don't want like all these big round pieces. So what I'm gonna do is just slice them. There we go. And of course you need cheese for your grazing board. I have these Laughing Cow wedges that I'm gonna bring with us. And these are easy to like peel and just smear on your cracker. And I'm going to take one with us. Oh, I gotta wash this counter. So I have these little traveling cups and I'm gonna put a little bit of the hot jalapeno jelly. And that's all I'm gonna bring. I'm just gonna leave this home. I'm gonna see if I can fit this in here with my cheese wedges, and I can. It's just kind of like Tetris. We got ourselves a grazing board, ladies. Okay, I have another one, and we're gonna fill it up with some carrots, celery, cucumbers, and ranch dressing. I just washed off these carrots. We're gonna peel them and start slicing them. Are baby carrots convenient? Absolutely. But I am not a fan of baby carrots. I'm like, why are they always slimy? And then I found out it's like some sort of like preserving chlorine type thing. All right, that can't be healthy. So I just love the natural taste of a normal carrot. Like, yes, baby carrots are normal, but they do something to them that just doesn't taste like a fresh carrot. So I much rather chop up a carrot. And they're expensive. I mean, it's cheaper to buy a bag of carrots and slice them yourself. But don't feel bad. Like, I hope I'm not making anyone feel bad. Like, do your thing, do you. I'm all for convenience. I go ahead and buy like the veggie trays sometimes when, where's my time? How much time do I have to accomplish what it is I'm getting ready for, right? I will take convenience over sometimes my wallet. But there's times where it's just like, you know what? Nope. And there's no need for me to spend money to get ready for this trip for convenience when I have everything at home. For my kids, especially when they were little, I would peel the backs of the celery because they're very stringy and you can choke. So sometimes I just like to shave this off because it's thick. So it just depends on the celery and where it's at. Now, I know people that don't like celery. I actually know a person that's afraid of celery. Yeah, I knew them in high school. I don't know why, but celery freaked them out. All right, so now I have celery in there. I'm gonna be sharing with you a grocery haul in the next video. All my grocery hauls for April. Cucumbers will not be in my Sam's Club haul, so you're seeing them now. So when I do the haul and I'll be like, and I did buy cucumbers, she'd be like, yeah, she used them already. Yes, so I already used a cucumber the other day for dinner. I really love doing grocery haul videos for you guys, especially for those of you that are not from our country and just seeing prices and things. There's times when I come home from the grocery store and I'm exhausted that I don't really want to lay everything out and do a haul. And then it depends on what's going on in the house. Is there dinner happening? Are there people over? Is it crazy? Sometimes I'll just pull everything back out and film it for you guys. I have not filmed the Sam's Club haul yet. A lot of it was like home good stuff like tissues. Like I have stuff out on the table, like tissues, trash bags, paper plates. So when I get home, I'll film this. So that one's gonna be janky because the ham, the sliced ham that I usually buy for sandwiches, one of them is going with Shaylee to the grandparents' house for her lunches for school. So the Sam's Club haul is gonna be very interesting, but it's just how it is. It's funny, huh?
Road trip.
Isn't it funny how sometimes depending on how tired I am, how sometimes I don't always film the grocery hauls like right when I get home.
It's true.
So I was telling them like the
You're
Sam's Club haul.
supposed to cut away from yourself.
Oh, I do everything the opposite. I do everything to scare you.
And you do a good job at it.
Derek gets really nervous with me and a knife because I have a habit of cutting myself. In fact, these fake nails, these acrylic nails, have saved fingers. You can even ask one of my editors, Tiffany. She has called me while editing like, oh my gosh. I'm like, I know, you got to that part, didn't you? These nails are not just for the beauty for the camera, they're for safety. For the cucumbers, do you want slices or sticks?
Chips.
All right, chips. All right, it's gonna get a little loud in here. Derek's bringing the dog's crates up to put them in the car.
She knows she's going somewhere.
She knows where she's going. You guys wanna go see Oma and Opa? Yum, yum. Can you bear the Lighthouse Homestyle Ranch?
Yeah, for vegetables, I can bear it.
Okay, good.
That's what it is a vegetable dip, not a salad dressing.
I like it better than any other ranch, sir. For the road, I could put a cup, but we'll go through that cup of ranch. So, I mean, that's just little. That's little for Derek and I. So let's just fill this, because it's gonna be not on its side, it's gonna be flat down. I could regret this decision, I really could. Oh, it'll make for good footage when it ended up it's spilled everywhere. Let's do it. I love this dressing. Derek likes the BYU Creamery Ranch. I am taking this with us though. Yes, because I am going to get all the carrots ready and bring more celery and the cucumber, so this is coming with us. What did I do with the lid? Oh, right here. It's clear. Oh, I just made a mess. Look at that. Me make a mess?
It's not like you.
So not like me. Here we go. Grazing boards for the trip. Love it. All right. In the cooler. I got it hooked up, baby.
Wendy's is so much better.
Negative. Not happening. Just say no, Derek. Okay. It is filled. Carrots and celery. I have a paper towel down below. And we'll just do one on top. Okay, get that in the cooler. We're good. Okay, I want to take some peanut butter with me. So I'm gonna spoon out some from Sam's Club, the natural no stir creamy peanut butter. Oh, this is so good. I love peanut butter. If I'm feeling a little weak or from like craving something and I don't know what I want, of course I'll like chug water because I'm like, I'm probably thirsty, you know? I'll take a spoonful of peanut butter and it will do the trick. Do you like peanut butter? I feel like a dog now when you give dog peanut butter. Are you guys a fan of like other butters, like almond butter? I don't mind almond butter, but I'm such a fan of peanut butter. Okay guys, in this bag I have potato chips that we haven't opened up yet. The Milton's gluten-free crispy sea salt crackers. love these with the grazing board. We have the peanut butter, the Unreal chocolate, dark chocolate caramel peanut butter nougat bars. Oh my gosh, these are good. I have a little clip that I put with them so they won't spill everywhere. The Sweet Heat snack mix from Costco. This is so good. Seasoned almond, seasoned cashews, honey roasted sesame sticks, seasoned honey glazed pecans, which are freaking delicious. Barbecue flavored cracker coated almonds and corn nuggets. I love this. The gluten-free Oreo cookies, some cashews. This is what was left in the bin of cashews. Some garden vegetable crackers and sea salt crackers. Derek really enjoys pistachios. I'm a cashew girl. I'll eat pistachios, but these ones, they're lightly salted, so I don't really go to town on them. When they're like the salted kind, I could down a bag. So I'm gonna pack some of these. So there we go, we have pistachios in there. And I'm gonna throw a few of these in there. I got them from Costco. They're the pure organic layered fruit bars. Oh, they're so good. And then these yogurts. This is what we had left in our fridge. I have 2 Chobani zero sugar blueberry Greek yogurt and 1 of the coconut strawberry dairy-free so delicious coconut one. When I was looking over the details of the conference again, I forgot that with my ticket that I purchased, I have 2 lunches to go to. So basically I already paid for that lunch, right? And the price of your ticket. So that's good. I have that and I don't have to worry about that. I am just gonna make us a sandwich. Derek just wants one, I just want one because we're bringing plenty to snack on. And Derek's like, but we don't have any mustard. I can't believe I'm out of yellow mustard. Holy cow. I haven't been out of yellow mustard for years, you guys. So I said, all right, how about this? I'll make you a sandwich and then when we stop at the gas station to fuel up, I'll run in and get you a mustard packet and I'll squeeze it in your sandwich. And he's like, perfect. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use up the last of the lettuce that I have, that I prepared on video with you guys. So this is, gosh, it's been 2 weeks since then. And look, still crunchy. And it's because of the glass. I swear store them like this after you clean them. So I'm just gonna make us just a plain old ham sandwich. So this is one of the sliced deli meats that we bought from Sam's Club. I don't have any tomatoes. My tomatoes were starting to go. And what I do when they start to go, and I know I'm not gonna get to them, I throw them in a bag in the freezer, all whole and everything. And I have a bag in there right now that I can pull out at another time, put them in a pot or put them in the slow cooker and get them started, and then I can puree them up. I can make a sauce with them. You just can't use them like a normal tomato and chop them up and like put them in your salad. Some pepper. Also in my sandwiches, I love putting this submarine dressing in. It's got vinegar and spices. Oh, it's so good. When it comes to eating out and fast food, for lunch, we love sandwiches and we love Jimmy John's. I'm a number 5, the Vito. It's so yummy, but I never get a combo. So I'm looking at like $7 for a sandwich. And then Derek's sandwich is usually a little bit more. So let's say $8, right? So with ordering our sandwiches and depending what we put on them, like we can leave there paying $15 to $20. Okay, so straight out the gate on the road trip heading down, we're saving $15 on our lunch just by making a sandwich at home. Is it as fun and exciting than going to Jimmy John's? No. I mean, I love my Vito. It's so good. But all these little purchases on the road, fast food, they add up and they greatly affect your grocery budget. Save money, prepare things, and take the time. I know we're all busy, we're all tired, and doing extra steps sometimes just seems just like, oh, another thing I have to do, but honestly, it's so worth it. Look at that. And we used up all the rest of the Miracle Whip. And we always bring a few extra Ziploc bags with us on a trip, because you never know if you're gonna need them for your toiletries or for anything. So I always keep on the side of our bag here some Ziploc bags. We have plenty of food for the road until we get there. It's a 6-hour trip. We're good. So between not making our own grazing boards and buying them at like Walmart and then going and getting our Jimmy John's, that's $30 right out the gate. Yikes. So these are the last of the paper plates. I did buy some more at Sam's Club, you'll see that. I'm just gonna put those in here. And then this has a few plastic knives, forks, and some spoons. So I have our goodie bag and our cooler all ready to go for us. I packed everything. I was so thoughtful on how I did everything, but I forgot napkins. I would love to know your tips and tricks when you're traveling to save money on groceries. What do you do? What do you pack? Share with us, teach us. Leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to see how to prepare more for like a lake trip, a beach trip, some things that we have done, I'll leave that for you here. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you soon.